everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own sprites in Scratch. Yes, you got it right. So all the characters that you see over here, I have downloaded them from the internet and then uploaded them on Scratch. Yes, so let's see how I created this fun project, okay? Hey y'all, do you like this place? Isn't it too cold here? I would prefer a place warmer. Okay, let's go. So that's it. That's a very simple thing that I created. My target over here is to show you how we can create a project with our own characters. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you have to go to internet and search for the pictures. So when you would be searching the images, make sure to search in this way. Like, let's say I have downloaded the picture for Doraemon. So when you will be searching Doraemon images, you will be getting many pictures over here, but be cautious about the file format. I mean, the format of the picture needs to be a PNG format. Then what happens is the background for the picture is always erased, and you do not need to worry about erasing the background and doing all that hard work. Okay, so let's just try to download this picture. Okay, so I'm gonna name it as Dore1. As you can see, it's dore1.png, right? Okay, after that I will be uploading another picture into the Scratch screen, but this time I will be uploading one JPG picture. Okay, anything else like this one. Okay, so if I download this, or maybe I should be showing you something with a white background. um, this one, yes. So this one, although it seems I'm confused, I'm not getting a good picture right now. Okay, fine, let me just write over here JPEG. Yes, so maybe this one. I'll just try to show this one. Yes, so as you can see that there's a white background over there, and I'm gonna name it as Dore 2, right? So download it. Now you have to bring your mouse pointer over here. Don't just click on it. When you bring your mouse pointer, you get these four options. Click on this that says upload sprite, right? So do it and just try to add the pictures that you downloaded. Like I downloaded dore1.png and dore2.jpeg. So when I open both of them, as you can see the difference, right? I mean, look at this one. You can understand it more clearly if I add a background to the picture. Yes, now you can see like this one, which is the PNG picture. This one does not have a background. Let's come to the costume. Yes, over here. So this one does not have a costume. I'm sorry, this one does not have a background, right? But for this one, we do have a background, right? Like, see, here we do have a background. Although there is a process in which you can remove this white background, which is what I'm going to show you right now. Zoom the picture, and after that, take the eraser tool from here and smoothly, just using the mouse, try to remove the background of the picture like this. I mean, remove the white edges, right? But you need to be very careful while doing this. I mean, look what I just did. Okay, so this is a very tough process because you have to be very careful with this thing. And if you don't want to do all these troubles, then you can simply go for the first process that I showed you, that is uploading the PNG picture, right? But let me tell you something, this process can be useful if you are using some of your own photographs and you want to use yourself as a sprite. Yes, you heard me correct. You can upload your own photos as well on the Scratch website or the Scratch software, and you can use yourself as a sprite too. So I'm going to show that in some other video, and that's it. So keep watching and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it still now, and keep watching.